Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sensational Lifestyle with Helen. In today's video I'm going to be making dishwashing soap. So with this video I'm going to be using my used cooking oil. As you can see, used cooking oil. So I'm going to recycle it for making dishwashing soap. So my soap is finished, so I have to make a new one. What I have on the table is the recipe to make this soap. This is 400 milligram of used cooking oil. It can be any oil of your choice that you have at home. You don't need the oil again. Instead of throwing it away, just use it to make soap. So this is 150 grams of sodium hydroxide, or you can call it caustic soda. And in this cup I have 200 milligram of water. So what I'm going to do first, you can see I have my safety measure and I have my mask to protect myself. I still have my goggles. I still have my goggles to use to protect my eyes. So I have to clean it a bit. Safety measures is very important. So I'm trying to wear my safety measures. You can look at my face here, see my safety measure, everything, my hand glove, my mask and my glasses to protect my face from this guy. So first what I'm going to do is that I'm going to mix this sodium hydroxide, caustic soda into this water. You have to first of all put water, then you pour it, not the other way around. You pour the powder into the liquid. So this process is very strong. I'm going to put it outside for the gas to go out because it's very strong. So we need 2 spoons of sugar. This is sugar, 2 spoons of sugar. This 2 spoons of sugar, I'm going to add it to 1 liter of boiling water. Of sugar to that boiling water. You get to know the reason why we are doing this later.